Hi, this is Hirok Das. In this series, we will discuss about the engineering services previous year's question and in electronics branch, and this is from these questions come from electronics measurement and instrumentation in 1999. Okay, the question says that the difference between the measured value and the true value, that means measured value and true values difference called gross error, relative error and probable error, absolute error. Before we solving this choosing one option, at first we go through the different error. What does gross error mean, what does relative error mean, what does probable error mean, and what does absolute error mean? Okay, at first we go gross error. What does gross error mean? Gross error is due to human factor involved in measurement and for careless reading, observation, that kind of thing. Okay, that means gross error means human factor involved in measurement. Okay, now what does relative error mean? Relative error means measured value minus true value divided by true value, and if you measure the relative error percentage, then it will multiply with 100. Okay, multiply with 100. Now what is absolute error? Absolute error means measured value minus true value. So measured value minus true value means absolute error. The answer is D. Okay, now what is the probable error? Okay, probable error, at first we write this equation of probable error. Error ER. Okay, probable error ER, it means at first we write the equation plus minus 0.6745 and root over summation root over summation v square by n minus 1. Okay, now what is V? What does V mean? V means difference between any single observation that means taking one time measurement and the mean of this series. Okay, and the mean of this series, that means suppose you taking 5 measurement, and V means difference between the single observation, first any one observation, and mean of this series. The taking 5 observation means in the difference between two is called V. Okay, n is number of observation and n is number of observation. Okay, so we go the four kind of error in measurement. First is gross error, relative error, absolute error, and also probable error. So the answer is D. So that's for this question, and thank you.